back again. Is back like a better experience or something?
Yes, because you go faster.
Okay, we'll see. Oh, don't put it down. I'm gonna get that.
But it's also gonna match. It's gonna match both of us.
Bro. Wait, I can put my phone in here if I want.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's popcorn in there. There's popcorn in there. Yeah, push up. Yeah, it's not the water. It's not really nice. I can't move, bro.
It's fine. Mario, deal with it.
But I'm scared.
Mario, shut up.
Bro, I'm actually scared, like, actually. Bro, I'm actually scared. Shut up.
Make sure to look at the goat.
I was watching his photo.
Look at the goat.
Pull up his phone out.
Look at the goat when we're going down.
Bro, you can't see, bro. It's, dude, how you see it can't ride. This is a bad view of you. Hold it up. Hold it. You don't need to use a touch that. I'm gonna hold it like you do.
Mario, stop. Look at the goat! Oh my god! That's so much faster when you look at the freaking goat.
I thought it was a hit.
Oh, dynamite part. My hair, no! Let's go over there.
4 minutes.
Guys, look at the...
What?
Look at the phone.
Alright, let's go Millennium Falcon.
Not yet. It's not that.
Yeah, let's go to Millennium.